Hi, how you going? Well, here we are, nice blue sunny day, rain finally stopped, level of the creek's gone down a bit, and yeah, welcome to my channel, the Gypsy Gardener. Bit of a history about that. My background is actually, my father was a Hungarian and has gypsy background, so hence the name. I also like to talk about, in the earlier video I mentioned about this being a dream come true. When I was 17 I used to dream about owning a property of some sorts, and you know, years went by and nothing happened, and then in my 40s I ended up getting a property and that came true. But I did have some naysayers, as in one person said to me once, you know, what would you like to do down the track? He says, I'd like to own a small piece of property, nice bit of a hobby farm. And they looked at me and they said, everybody wants to do that. And I thought, oh, that's trying to take away my dream. And I just looked at her and I said, you watch me. I will get a property. And I've had two. This is my second one and I'm semi-retired and loving it. So here I am on a parcel of land about 6,600 square meters, which is approximately 1 3/4 acres or 0.6 hectares, depending what part of the world you're in. And you can see the creek level has gone down a bit. I'd be underwater here if I was sitting here now, but it's nice and peaceful to sit here and just listen to the water flowing. All these rocks you see here, I had to put in there to create a bit of erosion control, which I think I might talk about in another video. But at present it's really pleasant to sit here, and I will talk about other things in the garden here, what I've done. Not clinical, but it works for me and it probably would work for you. And I'll also be travelling around a bit to other gardens to see how people work their gardens, and possibly overseas. So anyway, thank you for joining me. Come and join me in my journey, and I hope you enjoy it. I'll just be me, nothing scripted, as much as I can, although a lot of the YouTubers say you need to script everything, but I think everything's better off el natural, don't you think? All right. Till next time, we'll see you there.